Looking to upgrade your PC with memory that not only performs but also dazzles? The CORSAIR Vengeance RGB Pro SL DDR4 modules deliver vivid, animated lighting through 10 individually addressable ultra-bright RGB LEDs per module. Whether you want to match your setup's style or create a unique light show, this memory lets you customize with dozens of preset profiles or design your own using CORSAIR's iCUE software. What sets these modules apart isn't just the lighting. At just 44 mm tall, they fit comfortably under large air coolers like the CORSAIR A500, making them ideal for builds that demand both power and compatibility. Plus, their custom performance PCB ensures top-tier signal quality, maximizing stability and speed on the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. For enthusiasts who push their systems further, these modules use tightly screened memory chips. That means you get extended overclocking potential without sacrificing reliability. And with a solid aluminum heat spreader, your memory stays cool even during intense workloads, all while adding a sleek, modern look that complements your RGB setup. The integration with CORSAIR iCUE software doesn't just stop at lighting control. You can synchronize your RAM's effects with other CORSAIR RGB products, keyboards, fans, and coolers, creating a unified and immersive lighting experience across your entire system. It's a seamless way to bring your PC's aesthetics to the next level. Installation is straightforward thanks to Intel XMP 2.0 support, allowing you to enable the optimal memory settings with a single BIOS adjustment. This means you get the best performance right out of the box without complicated manual tuning. It's a simple step that unlocks the full potential of your memory investment. Users across the United States have praised the Vengeance RGB Pro SL for both its performance and eye-catching design. One reviewer highlighted how enabling XMP and using iCUE software helped them get the most out of their RAM, combining reliability with stunning visuals. This memory doesn't just perform, it enhances your entire build experience. If you're ready to add memory that blends high performance with dynamic style, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB Pro SL is worth a look. It offers what you need to boost your system's speed, maintain cool temperatures, and light up your rig with personalized RGB effects. Try it when you're ready to transform your PC into a powerhouse that looks as good as it runs. Experience memory designed for today's demanding builds, optimized for bandwidth, stability, and aesthetic appeal. With CORSAIR Vengeance RGB Pro SL, you're not just upgrading hardware, you're upgrading your entire PC experience.